Assalamu alaikum. So what we have today it's bell pepper macaroni. First, take a pause and press subscription. I have added chicken into it and I will cook chicken with the sauce as well for 5 minutes. Boil macaroni at high temperature and don't overboil your macaroni, and after boiling it just pass this macaroni through cold water. As you can see that I have added macaroni into fried garlic and chilies, and I'm going to add black pepper into it. Now add remaining ingredients such as capsicum, salt and many more ingredients and mix it well together. So there I am going to add the yummiest bell pepper sauce over it, and look at the consistency. I have not added any kind of cornflour to make it thicker. It's all naturally done. So please try this recipe at home. It is just so amazing. Just try it home. It will please you.